Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll demonstrate how to log into another Facebook account. Let's dive in. On the Facebook app, locate the menu button, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines, and tap on it. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on the Log Out button. Confirm by tapping Log Out. Next, locate and tap on the option labeled Log In to another account. Here, you can choose to log in with any existing account or create a new one. To do this, enter the login credentials for the account you wish to access, then tap on the Login button. If you don't have another account, you can create a new one by clicking on the Create New Account button at the bottom. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching.